Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity and sustainability with an exciting new project, From Waste to Wonders. In this video, we'll be showcasing some amazing DIY decor projects crafted from reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood has gained popularity in recent years, not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its environmental benefits. By repurposing wood from old structures, pallets, or furniture, businesses can create unique decor items while reducing waste. This approach aligns with the increasing consumer demand for sustainable products, making reclaimed wood a smart investment for both DIY enthusiasts and entrepreneurs. There is a growing market for eco-friendly and sustainable goods as consumers become more aware of their environmental impact. Many shoppers are actively seeking out products made from reclaimed materials, favoring them over conventional options. This trend opens opportunities for businesses to cater to this demand by offering creative and stylish products crafted from reclaimed wood. The versatility of reclaimed wood allows for countless creative DIY decor projects. From rustic picture frames and shelves to elegant furniture and statement art pieces, the possibilities are endless. Entrepreneurs can tap into this creativity by developing a line of unique products that appeal to varying tastes and styles. Starting a business centered around reclaimed wood requires a few essential tools and materials. Basic woodworking tools such as saws, drills, sanders, and finishes are crucial for crafting quality pieces. Additionally, sourcing reclaimed wood can be done through local suppliers, construction sites, or online marketplaces, ensuring you have a steady supply for your projects. For those new to woodworking, engaging in DIY projects is a fantastic way to build skills and gain confidence. Numerous online resources, tutorials, and workshops can assist aspiring woodworkers in mastering the techniques needed to create stunning decor items. Investing time in skill development enhances product quality and expands your potential offerings. Building a recognizable brand is vital for any business venture. When it comes to selling reclaimed wood decor, focus on creating a brand that emphasizes sustainability, craftsmanship, and creativity. Use social media platforms to showcase your products, share behind-the-scenes moments, and engage with your audience. Eye-catching visuals and compelling storytelling will help your brand resonate with customers. Finding the right pricing strategy is essential for profitability. Factors to consider include the cost of materials, labor, and overhead, as well as the perceived value of your products. Research similar offerings in the market to help gauge competitive pricing while ensuring that your quality and craftsmanship justify your chosen price points. Various selling channels are available for entrepreneurs in this niche. You can set up an online store using platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. Additionally, consider local craft fairs, farmers markets, and home decor shows to showcase your creations in person. Each of these channels provides valuable exposure to potential customers. Engaging with customers is crucial for building loyalty and trust. Encourage feedback and reviews, and create a community around your brand by sharing tips, tutorials, and DIY inspiration. Establishing connections with your audience fosters a loyal customer base eager to support your endeavors. Incorporating sustainability into your branding is not just about the materials used, it's also about your overall business practices. Share your commitment to eco-friendliness through your operations, such as using non-toxic finishes and environmentally responsible shipping methods. This transparency will resonate with consumers who prioritize sustainability. While the reclaimed wood business has immense potential, challenges such as sourcing quality materials and competition can arise. Developing strong relationships with suppliers can help mitigate sourcing issues, while continuously innovating your product line can keep you ahead of the competition. Staying flexible and open to new ideas will help you navigate these hurdles. As the market for sustainable products continues to grow, the future holds significant opportunities for those in the reclaimed wood decor space. Expanding into other areas, such as home renovations or collaborations with interior designers, can enhance your business further. By staying informed about trends and customer preferences, you can continue to thrive in this evolving market. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in these unique ideas and felt empowered to turn scrap wood into beautiful, functional decor for your home. Your support means the world to us, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative projects and tips. We can't wait to see what you create.